Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, we are discussing the parts of speech. Parts of speech are the categories of words intended to reflect their functions in a grammatical context. Today we are going to discuss prepositions and conjunctions in this lecture. Preposition links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. Preposition links nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. The word or phrase that the preposition introduces is called the object of preposition. Types of preposition. There are many types of preposition. Number 1, simple preposition. Number 2, compound preposition. Number 3, double preposition. Number 4, participle preposition. Number 5, phrase preposition. What is simple preposition? A simple preposition is a word like in, on, at, about, of, for, to. For example, they are waiting for the bus. In this sentence, for is a simple preposition. The next kind is compound preposition. Compound preposition is a word like without, within, inside, outside, between. Example of compound preposition is the ship was at the point of break in to. In this sentence, at the point of to is a compound preposition. Next kind is double preposition. A double preposition is a word like outside of, out of, from behind. Example is it is up to us to find a way out. Next is participle preposition. Participle preposition is a word like concerning, notwithstanding, pending, etc. For example, she works during the day and studies at night. This is the example of participle preposition. Concerning, notwithstanding, pending, during. Such prepositions are called participle preposition. Preposition having ing at the ending is called participle preposition. Phrase preposition. Phrase preposition is a phrase like because of, by mean of, with regard to. For example, he walked as far as he could. As far as is a phrase preposition. Next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions are words that connect other words or sentences together. Conjunctions are words that connect other words or sentences together. Some common conjunctions are and, as, so, or, but, then. There are 5 different types of conjunctions. Number 1, subordinating conjunctions. Number 2, correlative conjunctions. Number 3, compound conjunctions. Number 4, coordinating conjunctions. Number 5, pseudo conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join a subordinate clause to a main clause. Subordinating conjunctions join a subordinate clause to a main clause. For example, although, as, because, after, before, if. These are subordinating conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions always travel in pairs. They link balanced words, phrases and clauses. Correlative conjunctions always travel in pairs. They link balanced words, phrases and clauses. For example, both and, either or, neither nor. What are compound conjunctions? Compound conjunctions come as phrases where several words together act as a join. For example, as long as is a compound conjunction. As long as. What are compound conjunctions? They come as phrases where several words together act as a join. Several words together act as a join is called compound conjunctions like as long as far as. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join parts of a sentence that are grammatically similar. Coordinating conjunctions join parts of a sentence that are grammatically similar. For example, and, but, nor, yet, so. Pseudo conjunctions. Pseudo conjunctions are when the other parts of speech, like a conjunction. Pseudo conjunctions are when other parts of speech, like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, act as a like conjunction. Pseudo mean fake, not real. For example, directly, seeing, the instant. Allah Hafiz.